Can you work in Canada on a tourist visa? Canada ਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਜਾੜੋਂ ਗੱਲ ਜੋਬ ਦੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੰਦਾ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸੋਚ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਟੂਰਿਸਟ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਤੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਜੌਬ ਲਾ ਲਵੋ? ਚਲੋ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਸਮਝਾੜੇ ਹਾਂ। Understanding the tourist visa. Many people think that once they get a Canadian tourist visa, Canada has ended the policy allowing visitors to apply for work permits from within Canada. As of August 28, 2024, it does not allow you to work legally in Canada. Previously, there was a temporary policy allowing tourists to apply for work permits while in Canada, but as of August 2024, that rule has changed. Now, if you want to work in Canada, you must apply for a work permit from your home country before arriving. So if you were thinking, I'll go to Canada first and figure out the job later, I have bad news for you. Can you convert a tourist visa to a work permit? Many people ask, can I convert my tourist visa to a work permit? The simple answer is no. You cannot come to Canada on a tourist visa and then start working at a restaurant, store, or construction site. It is illegal. Correct process to get a work permit. First, find a job offer from a Canadian employer. The employer must apply for an LMIA, Labor Market Impact Assessment. Then you apply for a work permit from outside Canada. If you try to work without a proper work permit, you risk deportation and future visa bans. Jobs you can apply for from India. Now let's talk about something useful. What are the jobs that Indians can apply for from India? High demand jobs in Canada for Indians. IT professionals, software engineer, developer, cybersecurity healthcare workers, nurses, caregivers, medical technicians, truck drivers and logistics, Class 1, Class 3 drivers, hotel and restaurant staff, chefs, servers, housekeeping, construction and skilled trades, electricians, welders, plumbers. Canada needs skilled workers, but only those who follow the legal process. Best job search websites for Canada: Job Bank Canada, jobbank.gc.ca, LinkedIn Canada, linkedin.com, Indeed Canada, ca.indeed.com. Don't just rely on what a friend or relative tells you. Always check the official websites before making a decision. The right way to work in Canada. If you want to work legally in Canada, follow these steps. Apply for a work permit from India. Consider express entry for permanent residency, PR. Look into PNP, Provincial Nominee Program. Opportunities. If you follow the correct process, your future in Canada can be bright. But if you take shortcuts, you might end up back at the airport with a return ticket. So friends, let's be clear. Working on a tourist visa is not allowed. But if you apply the right way, you can build a great career in Canada. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions. What are your plans for coming to Canada? Tell me in the comments and I'll reply to as many as possible. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ next video 'ਚ। ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ ਤੇ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ, illegal ਤਰੀਕਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ 'ਚ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਪਰ end ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ।